You know how to ask the question, right? Ask him what 52-year-old is like.
Yeah.
How do you describe what it's like?
There's like a difference. There's got to be a difference between 22 and 52, as far as let's just vaguely say the feeling goes.
There is a mush factor, I call it.
The mush factor.
Oh,
Yeah.
What's that?
oh,
Well, as you know, it's not quite as firm as a 22-year-old, and
oh.
Okay, so you're saying
the skin's a little looser.
so things are a little like shaky, a little looser, and
It's like a turducken.
Kind of, you know.
the mush factor. You don't want to deal with the mush factor. Jesus,
I never heard that before.
No, yeah, and then,
We need T-shirts. I've dealt with the mush factor.
yeah, it's kind of tough. The turducken was a great example because one time I walked into the bathroom when she was showering, and then what I saw from behind, you know, it was kind of like a little droopy.
You asked her why she brought her luggage into the shower.
it's like Nicholson walking into the hotel room in The Shining. The woman in the tub.
When did we get a baby elephant as a pet?
Right.
Why are you washing your bat inside the shower?
You're a bat.
I didn't know you had a pet bat.
So, why did the relationship end there?
Well, her kids didn't appreciate that I was younger than her youngest child.
Oh, that's never good.
And you were living with her and all that?
No, I wasn't living. I didn't quite make that jump. After a few times in the mush factor, it kind of settled in.
Unbelievable.
My goodness. Now, was she the best? Was she the best you ever had?
No, she wasn't. But from the neck up, she was beautiful.
But was anything
the neck
she did the best you ever had? Like, did she have any tricks that some young broad just didn't do?
No, I think she was a little repressed, but not really. No.